Hello, how are you all doing? On this channel, I teach Urdu as a second language with grammar, movies, songs, dramas, etc. Today, I'm going to teach you Urdu with this song called Teri Tasveer by BAYAAN. BAYAAN is one of my favorite bands from Lahore, Pakistan, and I really love this song. In this song, the construction has subjunctive mode. I'll explain it when we're going through the lyrics. We're going to listen to a line. I'm going to dissect it, teach you new vocabulary and new verbs. You can listen to the song, and the link is in the description box. Enjoy. Pay close attention to the lyrics because we are going to learn 10 new verbs today as well. Let's hear the first line.
तेरी तस्वीर बनाकर रंग भरूं.
Did you understand any of it? Let's see the lyrics. तेरी तस्वीर बनाकर रंग भरूं. Here the verb is bharna. Bharu, bharna. Bharna is to fill. Bharna. Bharna is in its subjunctive mode. A subjunctive mode is used to express a wish or a suggestion or a demand or a hypothetical situation. Here he is indicating that he does this, or he's talking about his dream maybe. The subjunctive mood is made by using the future form, let's say jaungi, and removing the gi. First part, jaun, is the subjunctive form. Main jaun means may I go or would I go. It's a subjunctive mode. I'll make another video about subjunctive mode sometime in the future. Teri tasveer. Tasveer is picture. Tasveer. Tasveer. Teri tasveer banakar. Banana is to make. Banakar means after making your picture. So obviously I'm talking about literal translation here. Teri tasveer banakar rang bharu. After making your picture, I want to fill it with colors. Bharna is to fill something. For example, let's take this sentence. Ye balti bharo. Fill this bucket. Balti is bucket. Ye balti bharo. Ye cup bharo. Fill this cup.
तेरी तस्वीर बनाकर रंग भरूं.
The singer here is implying that he wished to make a beautiful portrait of his lover and fill it with colors. The protagonist is deeply in love with her partner and want to capture the image in every single moment. Let's go to the second line.
हर पल को तेरी जागीर करूं.
हर पल को तेरी जागीर करूं. हर पल को तेरी जागीर करूं. So the verb here is jagir karna, which is to make someone an owner of something. Har pal ko means make every moment. Teri, your jagir karu. Like I'll make you master of every moment of my life. I'll make you the master of my time. I will dedicate every moment to you. Har pal ko, pal is moment. Har pal ko teri jagir karu. Again, this is a subjunctive mode. He's indicating his dream.
हर पल को तेरी जागीर करूं.
The next line is
नींदों के बिना रातें मेरी.
नींदों के बिना रातें मेरी. Need is sleep. In this sentence, there is no verb actually. There are a lot of postpositions. Neendo ke bina. Ke bina means without. Ke bina. For example, मैं ज़ारा के बिना जा रहा हूँ. मैं ज़ारा के बिना जा रहा हूँ. I'm going without Zara. Another postposition which is more colloquial is के बगैर. मैं ज़ारा के बगैर जा रहा हूँ. I'm going without Zara. के बगैर and के बिना both means without. Here in this lyric, नींदों के बगैर means without sleep. Neend is sleep and neendo is the plural of sleeps, like an oblique plural. So नींदों के बिना. रातें मेरी. Raat is night and rateं is the plural form. So rateं is nights. Meri rateं. Here, because it's poetry, the meri is coming after the noun. Usually the possessive adjective meri always comes before the noun, so before the possession. But here, because in poetry you bend the rules a lot, so raate meri. Neendo ke bina raate meri. That means my nights are sleepless. My nights are devoid of sleep.
नींदों के बिना रातें मेरी.
Let's go to the next line.
किस सपने की ताबीर करूं.
किस सपने की ताबीर करूं. किस सपने की ताबीर करूं. किस means which. ताबीर करना, which is to make something into a reality or to interpret something. किस सपने की ताबीर करूं. किस means which here. It's basically the oblique form of the word कौन से. कौन से is which, but because कौन से is before a postposition, it becomes किस. किस सपने की means which dream, of which dream ताबीर करूं. Poet is saying, which dream should I turn into reality through my art? ताबीर करूं, so which turn into reality. किस सपने की ताबीर करूं.
किस सपने की ताबीर करूं. कुछ भी ना दिखे गायब जो तुम.
Okay, so in this lyric, the verb is गायब होना. गायब होना is to hide. गायब होना. मेरा लैपटॉप गायब है. मेरा लैपटॉप गायब है. My laptop is hidden. वो गायब होना चाहती है. वो गायब होना चाहती है. She wants to hide. और गायब होना is also to be invisible. गायब होना. In this lyrics, कुछ भी ना दिखे गायब हो तुम. So another verb here is दिखना. दिखना is to be able to see. दिखना. मुझे दिख नहीं रहा. I cannot see. मुझे दिख नहीं रहा और मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है. मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है. I'm not able to see. So back to the lyric. कुछ भी ना दिखे. कुछ भी ना means nothing. कुछ भी means anything. कुछ भी ना becomes nothing. कुछ भी ना दिखे. Nothing can be seen. I cannot see anything. गायब हो तुम. गायब हो तुम means you are hidden. You are lost. गायब हो तुम. तुम is a pronoun, you, again due to poetry, or a lot of times in colloquial situations, you can put the pronoun in the end as well.
कुछ भी ना दिखे गायब जो तुम.
Let's hear the next one.
अंधेरों पे तहरीर लिखूं.
Andheron pe means in the darkness. Andhera means darkness. The verb here is likhna, which is to write. Likhna. Tehreer likhna. Tehreer likhna is to write a paper, to write an essay, a dissertation. Andheron pe, in darkness, tehreer likho. I write in the darkness.
अंधेरों पे तहरीर लिखूं आ जाओ अगर सांसें मेरी
So the verb here is ajana. Ajana is to come. Aa jao, it's a compound verb. Ajana has a more nuanced meaning. Aa jao, come. Agar saanse meri. Agar means if. Saans is breath. Here it's plural, like breaths. Meri, my breaths. Come. It will make more sense when you'll combine it with the next lyric.
पैरों की तेरे जंजीर करूं
पाँव की तेरे जंजीर करूं. पाँव means feet. पाँव. पैरों की तेरे जंजीर करूं. जंजीर करना is to capture someone, to shackle someone. पाँव की तेरे या तेरे पाँव की, your feet, of your feet, जंजीर करूं, shackle them. So I'll shackle your feet.
कौन सा जो चुनूं तो ले जाएगा
रास्ता कौन सा जो चुनूं तो ले जाएगा. So here the verb, there are actually two verbs. चुनना is to choose. मैंने ये किताब चुनी. मैंने ये किताब चुनी. I choose this. I chose this book. मैंने ये किताब चुनी. चुनना. ले जाना is to carry. मैं अपने बच्चों को स्कूल ले जा रही हूँ. I'm taking my kids to school. मैं अपने बच्चों को स्कूल ले जा रही हूँ. ले जाना is to carry another person or carry something. To take something. ले जाना. A very important verb actually. You can't say lena in this case. You have to use le jana. Le jana is to carry and to take another person. Rasta kaun sa. Rasta is a way, a path, a direction. Kaun sa which. Jo that. Chunu, I'll choose. To le jayega. That will take me. That will carry me. Which way should I choose that will carry me? That will take me to you, to the one who is loved, to his beloved.
कौन सा जो चुनूं तो ले जाएगा उस नगर उस जगह जहाँ यार है जाकर छुपा
उस जगह उस नगर जहाँ यार है जाकर छुपा. छुपना is to hide. छुपना. So छुपना is to hide. मैं छुप रही हूँ. I am hiding. मैं छुप रही हूँ. उस नगर, that place, उस जगह, that place. नगर is a place. जगह is also a place. जहाँ यार, यार is a person who is close to you. A partner. है जाकर छुपा. The partner who is hidden somewhere. I want to choose a path. I want to choose a direction which will take me to my lover who is hidden in a specific place.
उस नगर उस जगह जहाँ यार है जाकर छुपा
The hai should come in the end of the sentence. So जहाँ यार है जाकर छुपा. So hai is in the middle of the sentence here because it's poetry. The last one is another very important verb.
अब बता ए खुदा
अब बता ए खुदा. बताना is to tell. बताना. मैं उसको बता रही हूँ. I'm telling her or him. मैं उसको बता रही हूँ. मैं उसको बता रही हूँ. अब बता. So here bata is used as a command. Bata, that is the least formal imperative form. Like when you want to give a command, you can just say the verbal stem of something, of a verb, and that will become a command. For example, karna is to do. If you just say kar, that becomes a command. But it's the least formal command, and it's a bit rude if it's said out of context. So ab bata e khuda. With God, you use the least formal imperative normally. It's pretty weird because the least formal forms is always used either with someone you don't like you want to insult, or it's used with someone who is very intimate and closer to your heart. Therefore, it's a bit complex, this least formal forms. Ab bata, tell me now, eh khuda. God, tell me. Khuda means God. Eh khuda. Eh is like something you say before, like to grab the attention of someone. For example, oi or eh, like this. This is why you say eh. I hope you enjoyed. I certainly did. I went to the concert as well in January, and it was just as marvelous. If you want to watch more videos, you can follow this link. You can get a PDF file of these verbs and vocabulary on my Patreon page. If you want to support me and help me with making these videos, you can support me on Patreon. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Goodbye.